hi guys, I'm Odyssey2 from uklocksport.co.uk, and this is a video of showing a pick that my good buddy Bombgard on YouTube made for me. I did just start to do this video of getting the packet open and the battery went dead, nature of the beast, so I'm redoing it. I'd not actually seen this pick until literally 2-3 minutes ago, so thank you Ith. The pick is for this lock, and it's a Russian 10-pin lock. It's a massive key, a bit tight coming out, but that is the key. It is huge. I'll show the key on the background. I'll probably show a photograph at the end of a standard 6-pin key next to that. And I was really pleased with this. That's the pick that is made for me, and it's also put a rubber coating. It's outstanding, if it really is. Now when picking this lock, you've got to go all the way through past the cam as well, hence the reason for the sort of long pick tip. Just got a Gosso pick out to show the difference in size. There's sort of a few mil on the end of that. So I cannot wait to play with this lock, try and get it on video. I'll have a play just after doing the video. So thank you so much Ith, my friend, you are a true gent. I didn't have the tools to have a go at making it myself, hence the reason Ith kindly said he would make one for me. I know it's not lock picking video guys. If you are newbies to lock sport, why not come visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and always keep it legal. Thanks again Ith, my friend, you are a true gent.